Hey there, Victoria here of the Food Rack channel. I dreamed of having my very own cooking channel, but as a senior with a spinal injury, the dream felt impossible. But in 2024, I decided to just do it. If my videos make just one person out there happy, then I'm glad I did it. I hope you'll check out my other videos, and I'd love it if you said hi in the comments. So let's make some ice cream. You don't need an ice cream machine to make this toasted butter honey pecan caramel ice cream, but you will need some pecans. Chopped pecans in pieces are a little too small to use in this recipe, so you'll want to break 2 cups of pecan halves into chunks by hand and place them in a pan with a tablespoon of butter, 3 tablespoons honey, and 1 teaspoon brown sugar. I like using monk fruit in place of brown sugar. They also make a 0 sugar honey if you prefer not to use raw honey. Cook this over medium-low heat until completely incorporated and the sugar caramelizes. Transfer the pecans into a parchment-lined cookie sheet or air fryer tray and bake for 5 minutes at 350 degrees. Take care to not let them burn. When the pecans are good and toasted, remove them from the oven and set them aside on a cooling rack. Whip a quart of chilled heavy cream on high speed until stiff peaks form, being careful not to over whip. Add 2 cans chilled sweetened condensed milk and blend on medium speed until thoroughly mixed. You can substitute the sweetened condensed milk with sugar-free. You don't want to use fat-free because it won't set up, but sugar-free is okay. Blend in 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. Be sure to add the vanilla extract because the little bit of alcohol it contains is enough to keep ice particles from forming in the ice cream. This will make your ice cream extra creamy and smooth, and I promise the quality will rival any name brand ice cream on the market. After everything is blended well, grab a bread pan, baking dish, bucket, or any freezable container that can be covered tightly with a lid. This ice cream bucket is just perfect. Create layers of ice cream, pecans, and drizzles of caramel topping. Cover and place in the freezer and allow it to set up overnight. Okay, I allowed the ice cream to set up overnight in the freezer, and now I'm gonna see just how our ice cream turned out. Oh wow, perfect. Just look at those delicious butter honey toasted pecan chunks. Simply delectable. Your friends and family will love your rich, delicious ice cream so much, they'll be begging you to open your own ice cream shop. Keep making masterpieces like this, and you and your ice cream could become famous in grocery stores around the world. Stay tuned for more recipes, and I'll see you in the next video.
To get everything on the Food Rack, be sure to hit that subscribe button